Namaste. Put your buttocks on your heels. You can use a block. Put your hands down, palms facing up. Close your eyes and create a space for your practice. Do not analyze or praise anything. Let it be. Enjoy the process. Breath is regular and smooth. Very good. Roll your shoulders back. Release any tensions in the neck and shoulders. Breathe. Change direction. Movements are light, breathing is calm. A few more breaths. Excellent. Sit down with your legs straight. Move your hands behind. Bend your legs in turns and move your knees aside. Focus your attention on where the main action is. Smooth your breath. A few more breaths. Good. Put your buttocks on your heels. Turn your head to the right and to the left. Relax your neck. Movements are soft. Make a back bend on inhale. Make your spine flex on exhale. Go on at your own rhythm. Movement follows the breath. Do the work symmetrically. Move smoothly. Make side bows with your head. Your face is looking straight forward. Do at 50% intensity. Release any tensions in the neck. Excellent. Lie down on your belly. On an inhale, bend your elbows and lift yourself up. On an exhale, rest your ear back down to the ground. Go on at your own rhythm. Movement follows the breath. On an inhale, move your shoulder blades together. On an exhale, lower yourself down and relax. Eyes and face are relaxed. Excellent. Get into standing at attention pose. Move your hands behind your back dynamically. Movements are soft. Focus your attention on where the main action is. Release any tensions in the neck and shoulders. Excellent. Make fists with your fingers and create circular motions backwards. Breathe. The other way round. Relax your shoulders. Put your left palm on the left side of your head. Not changing your head position, press your hand on your head and with your head on your hand. Breathe. Switch sides. Focus your attention on where the main action is. Good. Make a finger lock behind the nape of your neck. Press your head with your hands on your hands with your head. Only the engaged muscles are activated. Do not create tension in the rest of your body. Put your hands on your forehead. Breathe. Good. Put a slight bend in your knee. Twist to the right and to the left with relaxation. Nice, calm mood. Release any tension. Eyes and face are relaxed. Excellent. Make yourself comfortable in a lying position. Relaxation. Close your eyes. relax.